Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about our suite of Bluetooth accessories for push-to-talk over cellular available for iOS and Android. So let's kick things off with our Blue RSM. It's compact, rugged, has an extremely loud speaker. We also have volume buttons in the front, and it also has an earpiece port for a listen-only earpiece option. Next, let's talk about our noise-canceling BlueTalk, which has two push-to-talk earpiece buttons, one here on the canal and the other on the noise-canceling boom microphone. It swivels for left or right ear use, and we also have volume buttons in the back with a large battery that lasts up to 12 hours. Now let's talk about our Bluetooth push-to-talk buttons. Starting with our Blue Ptt Plus, it is larger and very rugged, and it's compatible with a variety of push-to-talk applications. Use the included Velcro strap to strap it around your steering wheel, or you can remove that and place it in your pocket. And the third option is to use the included double-sided piece of tape as a semi-permanent option to place anywhere you need. Now let's talk about the Blue Ptt Mini, which was built exclusively for the Zello push-to-talk application. It's lightweight, it's smaller, and it's affordable. It also includes a Velcro strap that you can wrap around your steering wheel as well, or remove it to place it in your pocket. And lastly, you can also throw it around a lanyard to be able to communicate that way. For more information on our ever-expanding suite of Bluetooth accessories and to confirm the compatibility with your device or application, visit kleinelectronics.com.